Ako po si Pamelang Batanggenya na naman. Naman po, since na-show ko na po yung other videos, now I will show you how to upload po ba yung video mo sa YouTube channel, sa iyong YouTube channel. Kaya, open po natin first yung YouTube icon. Ayan mga kabatak. You can see it here po. Itong camera na sign here po, on the top. Here po, ayan. If you want to upload po ng video, you can upload here. Otherwise, itap mo po yung channel icon mo on the right side. Ito pong top corner. Meron din po dito. Tap natin. And then, go to your channel. So, ayun po, yung camera po na andito po sa taas, here po, pwede ka din po mag-upload doon. So, let's try po. So, for example, tap po natin yung camera. Ayan. And then, hanap po tayo ng video here. So, for example, this video. So, it will upload fast. Ayan. And then, you will put the title po. So, for example, is TikTok Babies. This is the title, mga kabatak. TikTok Babies. And then, yung description po. So, you have to describe po kung ano po yung content ng video na i-upload mo. So, for example, do you ever been tried to do a TikTok dance? So, for example lang po. Then, if not, let's try it. So, like this po. Any description po, you can do. So, you can put it public, unlisted, or private po. But most of the YouTube uploaders, they're always putting public. So, public. And then, you can put location din po. Also, sorry, unlisted. Let's put public. Here, you can put location po. So, for example, let's put Qatar like that. So, Qatar. Otherwise, no. Let's put Philippines. Yes po, Philippines. Ayan. And then, okay na po yung title, description, privacy. We have to change it to public. And then, Philippines. Okay, so we have to upload na po. So, on the top right corner po, upload option is here. So, we will upload. So, if you have shorter video, means it's shorter time po para mag-upload. So, 95%. Ayan po. And it's gonna be finished. Ready to watch na po. And then, you have to put tags on it. So, on the 3 dots here, on the right side, so sorry, here, 3 dots po, edit is there. So, we will edit. Tags. So, for example, Google search or Google image or Facebook search, Facebook videos. Any tags po na you want to apply, you can put it po. So, we can put Philippines also. And then, babies. So, let's try TikTok also. Whatever na maisip mo pong tags na related po doon sa videos. And it's okay na po. And then, we have to save it. Save. So, this is your video na po. And, TikTok babies. Sorry. Let's search it. here po on the search bar here. So we will search TikTok babies. Let's see po if your video is already there on YouTube. So it's not here. And if it is not coming po here at the front at hindi po natin makita yung video, so you can put po yung name ng channel mo. So this one, Pinay Cuisine, and the Middle East country. So ayan po mga kabatak, and ito na po yung videos na ginawa natin. TikTok babies, you can see it here po. But sometimes po, kung mag-upload po kayo ng video, hindi naman kasi every time na lagi pong kailangan mong ilagay yung name ng channel mo. Because sometimes, yung in-upload mo pong video, andito na po talaga siya sa top. Kaya it depends lang po doon sa video. So mga kabatak, ito lang po for today, and watch nyo po yung next tutorial videos ko. Maraming salamat!